Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Today we're going to be making Chingri Aloo Posto. This is a Bengali prawn and poppy seed curry, and it's super simple to make, but it has a unique taste and flavor due to that poppy seed paste that goes into it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking!
We are gonna start by marinating our prawn. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well with your hand. Set this aside to marinate for at least 10 minutes. Now we are gonna prepare our poppy seed paste. I have 50 grams of poppy seed here which have been soaked in water for 2 hours. Add this to a blender along with 3 green chilies. Now we are going to grind this into a paste.
Now we're going to pre-fry our prawns. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a kadai and heat it to medium heat. Add the marinated prawns and fry for just 1 minute. Then remove the prawns. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds. Also add 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into matchstick shapes. Fry this until the potatoes become golden. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, and fry until it becomes translucent. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and fry until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now we're going to add our poppy seed paste and fry for a few minutes. Add 1 cup of water to this and cook until the potatoes become soft. Add salt to taste and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar if desired. Now we're going to add our prawns and cover and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. And that's it. You can add more water if desired, according to your preference. So we have our Chingri Aloo Posto here. Like I said, it's a super simple recipe. You can make it during a weekday or when you just don't have enough time to make an elaborate meal for your family, but you still want something flavorful and delicious. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below for us, and also subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this coming to you every week. Thanks for watching. Bye. Really good. Wow.